Welcome, welcome, welcome. Had a live earlier and had a system issue, so we had to start all over. Welcome. Thank you for joining us. As you join, let us know where you're joining us from. Happy to have you. Welcome, welcome. Let us know where you're joining us from. Thank you for spending time with us today. Please remember to share our live video, share with others, and like us, follow us, so you'll know when our future lives are. Welcome. Let us know where you're joining us from. Welcome. Thank you for joining us. Thank you for joining us. Please follow us, like the live, and invite your friends. The more the merrier. My name's John with Elite Credit Solutions. I'm the owner of Elite Credit Solutions in Tampa, Florida. We serve the whole United States. I'm here to help you, share some information with you, answer any questions you have. Hopefully I'll be a great resource to you. Welcome. Thank you for joining us. Let us know where you're joining us from. Happy to have you. Share with others. Follow us. Share on social media. If you're more of a private person, message me. I'm always happy to help you. My information's up top. You're welcome to go to my website and check us out. We have great reviews. We've won several awards across the United States and here locally, and we get a lot of our business by referrals. We're in our 15th year. We're one of the most senior companies out there. Welcome, welcome. Thank you for joining us. Please let us know where you're joining us from. We're happy to have you. Thank you. Thank you. Welcome. Welcome, welcome. Tell your friends. You may not have good credit, or maybe you do have good credit, but 80% of America probably does not. With the current economy, our economy is the worst we've ever seen in our lifetime, and a lot of people haven't recovered from the past pandemic yet. So just trying to get out there, be a resource, help as many people as we can. Thank you and welcome. Please remember to share the video, share the live with others, follow us, share on social media. Happy to make a connection. Thank you for joining us. We try to come on here every evening, give you a little bit of information, answer any questions you may have. Today I want to talk to you. There's a lot of credit apps that you can load on your phone. There's one specific that everybody I talked to in the last 15 years has on their phone. And that's where they're getting their credit score, I guess. And the only reason people can give me is it's free. They don't care that the data is not correct, the score is not correct, it's free. So I'm going to give you another avenue that is free. Load the Experian app. Your scores only come from 3 places: Experian, Equifax, TransUnion. But load the Experian app on your phone. Sign up for the free plan. You can upgrade so you can look at all 3 credit reports, and they'll give you 7 days to look around and see your scores, see the data. That's about as accurate as you can get. If you're trying to buy a house, trying to improve your credit, maybe trying to buy a car, that's the best resource to go to. Your scores only come from 3 places, so never join, never, going to other places. Don't Don't go to just a place just because they have the word FICO or something on their name. I'm sure everybody's got their favorite apps, but most of those are a novelty item. Um, the information you see, you might also see that those companies are also advertising. They may tell you go here to get a credit card, but that company is also advertising there. So that's not solid credit advice. Please share this live with others so we can help your friends and connections. Welcome. Happy you joined us. Please let us know where you're joining us from. I'm happy to let you join us on the live here and talk about your credit if you like, or you can keep it private. Message me. I'm always happy to help. Welcome. Please remember to follow us, like the live, and share with others on social media. Great to make your connection. My name's John with Elite Credit Solutions. We're based in Tampa, Florida. We serve the whole United States. Happy to help you. We're in our 15th year. We've got a lot of great reviews. Won some awards locally and across the United States. And always happy you join us. And be happy to help you either with your credit or advice or resource or whatever you need. Brought it to my attention I wasn't supposed to be giving my phone number on the live. I think that's what happened the last time. So we won't be doing that. But my website's available to you up top, and I'll also leave that in the contact or in the message part of the live, so you can contact us if you have any other questions. Welcome. This is only about my 5th or 6th live on TikTok. I've done several lives on YouTube or Facebook and those platforms. I just now qualified on TikTok, so I'm happy to be out here being a resource to everyone. Hopefully you've seen some of my posts. Welcome. Thank you for joining us. Let us know where you're joining us from. Share this live with others. You may not have bad credit, but others do. So the topic at hand is these apps. There's 54 different variations of the FICO score. You can go out on a Saturday, apply for a car, maybe apply for a job, get a loan, get a mortgage. What else we got there? Open a bank account. You can do all those things, and those are different FICO scores. So if you were trying to buy a house up till maybe last year, the middle of the year, most mortgage brokers are on a FICO 8. And actually, you could go to 3 different mortgage brokers and get 3 different versions of your score also. So those are technically third party also, but if you're trying to buy a house, that mortgage broker's platform's the most important to you because that's what's getting you qualified. And then I guess that'd be the same if you get a car. Whether it's correct or not is a whole different avenue, but that's how you're getting approved, and so that's most important. 2 different versions of being the word correct. But I found that I send all our clients to the Experian app. I have them upgrade it. They give you 7 days for free. Currently, you can go in ever so often and upgrade it again. They give you another 7 days. So you really don't have to have the membership unless you want the extra benefits. Experian's got a lot of add-ons, so I don't want to take away from that. Suggestions on building your credit and such. They've got the Experian Boost, which is good. You can actually get credit for doing things that you're already doing, like watching Netflix or paying your electric bill, paying your water bill. A lot of those things you can get credit for. I think you can even get credit now on Experian from paying your apartment. So check into those extra benefits. Maybe upgrading's a benefit to you. But most of those apps are a novelty item. There's people advertising on those apps, and that's the benefit. It's not really there to give you a good score, good data. In fact, the most popular one I find errors on all the time, and the only reason anybody can give me is it's free. So if that's your only reason, I can give you a free one. You have a 500 score and you need credit repair. But no, I'd like you to have accurate information, so at least you know what you're working with, and we have the ability to help you also. Thank you for joining us. Welcome, welcome. Please let us know where you're joining us from. My name's John with Elite Credit Solutions. I'm in Tampa, Florida. We serve the whole United States, and I'm happy to help you with your credit goals. There are 54 different variations of the FICO score, so I'm just trying to help you to sort out the confusion. Actually, the credit system is set up for you to be confused. There are errors on I would tell you 95% of America's got errors on the credit report, and you're being held accountable for those errors, which means you're paying high car insurance, you're getting turned down for loans, you're having to make lifestyle choices based on errors. If you owned a company and they made and you had a cashier working for you and she made 95% errors, you would probably fire her. So keep in mind that that's also the group that's providing you scores. But right now, that is the credit system that we have, and we got to make the best of it. Welcome, welcome. Please let me know if you have any questions. I'm happy to help you. Welcome. Thank you for joining us. We have a new subscription service I just added. You may find benefit for. I'm going to be having live specific for subscribers. You'll have more access to me, would answer questions, and I can be more of a resource other than just on live TikTok. But I have a lot of people just call me for advice. And, we don't, I have people call me back, sometimes a couple years after they've hired us for advice. A guy the other day had hired us for 5 years ago. He was calling to ask advice on getting a second home. So we do credit repair much different than most companies. Most of them out there are doing this membership program, which is really not set up to fix your credit. It's there to make them residual income. You pay $100 or so a month, and each time you do, they work on one or two accounts, and they'll pace it out. So in the whole term of a year, they've gone clear through your credit report only once, and you've made 12 payments. So that's gets very expensive. A lot of companies will send a form letter out, the same form letter for everybody, and basically just hoping it sticks. That's not a very effective way to work on your credit. We don't send any form letters. I don't do a subscription service for credit repair membership. You go out on the internet, you see all these, get this magical letter, get this special letter, or get all these things deleted. And, they're just taking your money. Just save your money. Give us a call and I can direct you to what the best options are. We do we're a flat rate, all-inclusive plan. We work on the whole credit report right from the beginning. And we build a case for you, build a 5 to 6 page report, and I'll send that off to the bureaus. And we give them 45 days to do the research, and then we start working on the next round. Contractually, we're a 3-round program. But currently, because of the economy, we're doing 3 additional free rounds for everybody. So you're getting double the credit repair. It's a great time to work on your credit. That's currently. I'm not saying that's going to continue as the year develops. We may be looking at some other plans, but currently you're able to get double the credit repair. And by the way, our pricing is the same as it was 15 years ago. So I already know I'm the lowest in the country. Some people don't like to pay the flat rate. They want to pay the monthly, but they think they're also getting credit repair, so they're not getting real credit repair either. So if you want to join the membership, by all means, join the gym or join Netflix and watch movies. And that works out great for those type of programs. But membership is not very honest and effective in credit repair, and that is my own opinion. Well, it's factual, but that's not to knock down. Some people find it, they like for whatever a membership company, and that's okay. I'm just trying to educate you on the difference. There's 3 types of credit repair. The third option would be where you're paying basically for results, and if they're really good, that could be costly. So I think we've got the best of all the worlds, and we've helped thousands of customers to get into homes and to achieve their goals. We work closely with realtors and mortgage brokers all over the United States, so we've helped many people, and happy to help you also. You have errors on your credit report. I already know that, whether you need credit repair or not, and you're being held accountable for that. High insurance, high interest, everything. So even if you don't necessarily have a bad score, it may be worth you to look into credit repair. If you're happy with what you have, by all means, I can be a resource. Maybe I give you some credit building also. I feel my job is much bigger than credit repair. I give you credit building. It's a math equation, and I'm a math teacher's son. So I give you credit building, give you, some activities to work on while we're working on your credit, so you can get the best scores possible in our program. I refuse to let you fail, and I take ownership in your goals. And you'll have my direct number. A lot of people like it. They can text me and call me, and I'm always happy to help you. In 9 months, I kind of build a friendship with you, so I'll know you and your family. You'll feel comfortable referring me to others. And out on the internet, I'm known as Papa Credit. If you want to look me up, I'm all over social media, and I'm always happy to help you. My name again is John. I'm the owner of Elite Credit Solutions in Tampa, Florida. I'm always happy to help you. Please let me know if you have any questions. If I don't catch you in the live, feel free to message me or come to our website and, fill out the form. I'm always happy to help you. They've asked me not to list my phone number on the lives. So please let us know if we can help you, and I'd be happy to help you. We do have a subscription service now where you get more close access to me to answer your questions. We'll be having some videos specifically for subscribers. It only costs you $10 a month. I'm going to give you way over that in value, some additional credit building suggestions, and I'll even go one-on-one live with you once a month or whatever you want to earn that $10 subscription, help you out with your credit. I'm here to be a resource to you, and I'm very grateful. Please consider joining us on the subscribers. Again, I think it's $9.99 to be a subscriber of our TikTok channel. And I certainly will give you way over that value to help you. Welcome. Please let us know where you're joining us from. We're happy to have you. Welcome. Even if you don't have questions, you don't have bad credit, maybe you have suggestions on things you'd like me to cover on future lives, I'd be happy to. I've got a lot of ideas or material and things to roll out, but if there's something specific you want me to talk about, I'd be happy to. And in fact, you can join me on the live if you want to ask me live, and can answer questions, or if you want to stay anonymous, that's okay too. I realize credit's a private thing. Even if you hire me and your sister hires me and your dad hires me and your uncle hires me, none of them will know that you're my customer. So I'm like a lot like a doctor. I can't tell everybody your personal information. So your secret's with me, and I'll work on your credit. People just notice that all of a sudden you got a new house, all of a sudden you got a nicer car. Work on your credit. People just notice that all of a sudden you got a new house, all of a sudden you got a nicer car.